Hello everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, we have run into some very serious technical difficulties on my laptop. Apparently I have a virus that will not recognize any of my passwords. So I can get into YouTube, but I can't get into Gmail. I can't get into anything else. So we're busy working on that because that's got to get fixed. Otherwise, this isn't going to happen. And I need this to happen. So I left you with Meatloaf, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. I appreciate everything that James at jblethal.com has done. jblethal.com, jblethal TV. You guys are amazing. And I hope I wake up tomorrow with maybe 100 new subscribers. Who knows? Maybe more. I would love to have you all here. You guys are amazing. And I have so much fun doing it. So tonight we're going to work on our technical problems and see if we can get back online for you very, very soon. So until then, you take care and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.